September 11th, Friday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's begin with a look at the couple of web cameras across the great state of North Carolina. The Avalon Pier web camera along the North Carolina Outer Banks on the left. Beach Mountain Parkway cam, courtesy of resortcams.com on the right. Some fog there atop Beach Mountain with a temperature of 61 there at Kill Devil Hills. The current temperature is 74 as I'm cutting the video during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. 90 the high in Charlotte yesterday, 93 in Columbia and Fayetteville, 89 in Raleigh. Even along the coast there, Wilmington at 91. So it was another pretty hot day across the region. There's your Triad area high temperatures, mid and upper 80s out there. You had a lot of low 90s pop on the board down around the Charlotte area, 92 in Wadesboro, 91 in Monroe and Rockingham. 90 in Albemarle, and 90 officially in Charlotte as well. Temperatures this morning, as I'm cutting the video, again, 5 o'clock hour, 60s in the Triad area. A lot of other folks there through the Piedmont down toward the coast in the 70s, and 60s up in the mountains as well. It was a pretty active weather day yesterday. A couple of pretty decent rounds of some showers and thunderstorms that moved through. Some of those storms were severe and produced some wind damage as we went through the afternoon and the evening hours. In fact, there's a compilation of the storm reports. Most of this was of the trees being blown down variety. For instance, there around Stanley in the northern parts of Gaston County, had a report of quite a few trees down there around the town of Stanley. Same type of deal as you move further to the north and east when you got up into Randolph and Alamance counties. A couple of reports of some tree damage up in that part of the region as well. Pretty decent rain totals yesterday too. You can see a lot of folks picked up some rain as we went through the course of our Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. And now over the past couple of hours, things are pretty quiet on the radar, and I think overall rain chances rather limited today. Only a few isolated showers or storms before we see a fairly unsettled Saturday. As this next cold front that's causing the rain from parts of Illinois and Missouri down into Arkansas and Oklahoma, as that cold front moves on in. Behind that front, look at this. Much cooler air. 36 degrees as I'm cutting the video in Yellowstone Lake, 43 in International Falls, 44 in Fargo, North Dakota, and that cooler air is moving our way. We're kind of between storm systems today, though. Maybe an isolated shower or thunderstorm. I think the majority of us, though, rain-free today. And then as we get into tomorrow, that's when better storm chances roll in again. So you notice on the high resolution modeling today, yes, a few afternoon showers or thunderstorms, but I think they'll be much fewer in number overall than yesterday. There's your highs across the region this afternoon. Now for your Saturday, pretty unsettled as this next storm system moves through. I think scattered areas of showers and thunderstorms here and there. And I want to monitor the severe weather potential. You have a marginal risk of severe storms for the eastern two-thirds of the Carolinas, we'll say, but anybody fair game to pick up a storm tomorrow that produces a damaging wind gust or possibly some hail. That'll be something to monitor as we go through Saturday. And then on Sunday, this big, sprawling, cool high pressure begins to take over. Watch the advancement of this cooler air. Here we are this morning off of the GFS computer model. Much cooler air spilling southward as we get into tomorrow and then Sunday. And then Monday, that cooler air just engulfing the eastern part of the country. So by the time we get to Sunday, look at these high temperatures across the region. And then by Sunday night into Monday morning, look at these low temperatures for Monday morning. And there could very easily be some Piedmont spots down into the upper 40s Monday morning. And then look at the GFS computer model actually printing out a good number of upper 40s in the northwest Piedmont for Tuesday morning. And even some temperatures down to freezing in the mountain zones. So this is a good shot of chilly air heading on into our region. I haven't gone quite that cool with my forecast, but at least lower 50s, a good bet in many spots Monday morning and Tuesday morning with the cooler spots in the upper 40s. Henri pulling away from Bermuda now with greater pace, 16 mile per hour, miles per hour rather, the movement of this system, 40 mile per hour sustained winds, and Henri will continue to bend to the north and then northeast, maybe clipping through southeasternmost Canada and across the cooler North Atlantic waters. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a great day, great weekend, and God bless.